Hello angels and welcome to today's video. That's right, it's time for another Football Friday. 16 teams remain, so if you're curious as to which one is chosen and what look I come up with, keep on watching. Select a team from the 16 remaining. There's some very interesting teams in here, so I am eager to find out which one it's going to be today. Hey Google, choose a number between 1 and 16.
Sure. 6.
6, alright. Cards are faced away, shuffling, shuffling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Houston Texans, navy blue and red. It's getting kind of old with the blue and red. And look at the logo, what shades I need to come up with, and I will be right back. It doesn't look very navy blue to me, that's a dark blue. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. Corrector concealer, the Photo Focus concealer. I'm going to do it. I'm going to start off with that deep blue in the crease, blend it out with the Karaoke blue from the Loreal Los Angeles, and then smoke it out with some red on the top. Yeah, I'll start off with that deep blue from the Morphe 39A palette. This really deep blue here. The color, the shade name is Indigo, which is what it is. Let's start off with a transition color using a little Moda brush here. I'm just going to go into one of the lighter brown colors in the palette just to make everything easier to blend out when I'm using all of this deep rich colors. All right, angels, we are back and all zoomed in. So again, we went with that initial color. It's called Canvas, which is the perfect name for this color because it's the perfect color for just creating a nice smooth canvas. And I'm going just into the crease with that. I think I'm going to use this little e.l.f. It is a blending eye brush, it's a little e.l.f. brush. But I needed something with like a small head that can go right into this tight spot here, but not anywhere else. So I'm going into that indigo color, and this is going to be kind of pinnacle because I'm going to use that. It's my base color, and then I'm going to blend it out with a couple of different color blues. I'm starting by just gently patting it on, and then I'm using a little tapered blending brush. It is by Elizabeth Mott, a tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that color out. So next up, I'm going to go into the Loreal Party Animal palette, and I'm going to use Karaoke, and I'm going to use it to blend out that blue a little bit more. I'm going to use a little Wet n Wild blending brush for that. That is some pigmentation, girls. Oh my god. I might have to go into just a little bit of that and then use a more firm brush to blend it out because that was wow. I'm just going to use a little MUA brush and blend those colors in together. So actually trying to remove most of the product off of that Wet n Wild brush, I'll use that to blend a little bit more of the color in. Part is when you're getting colors that are not blending that well, make sure you're tapping off the excess so you're just working with the bare amount that's on your brush. See, that's blending much better. I think I want some red on the lid. I think that'll be pretty. And how about a wing that looks like the Texans' horns? Oh, that's a good idea. NYX blending brush. And I'm just going to go into Damage Control, the more aqua color, to see if I can lighten this look up just a little bit. And I'm just going to go in the top with that to kind of blend those colors out and soften them up a little bit. Next up, I'm going to use that same concealer, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I'm just going to put that on my lid, that makeshift cut crease that I always do. hope that's not getting old for you guys because it allows me to change up the look a little bit, but still keeping it cool and unique. Just gonna use that motor brush and what's already on there. Powder that down just a little bit because I feel like it's gonna move around too much. e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. It's like a concealer, a small little blender concealer brush. Little MAC Fix Plus on the brush. Go into that red color. Really saturate the brush with it. And this is the red from the Box of Crayons cut palette. This is such a deep, vibrant red. So I'm going all the way up to the lid with that. Doing the entire lid. Open my eye a little bit and see if she's gonna move around. Nope. And then I'll just take a little bit less of a product and then blend it out there. With that deep blue, the original blue from the Morphe, the indigo blue. And work some more of that into the crease to really define it out and to smoke out those two colors to get rid of that harsh line in the middle. That's just happening. Alright. And then go back in with that clean brush, blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and work on the other eye and I will be right back. Clean up that outer edge using my handy dandy Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. Just a cotton round. Take it and just bend it around my finger like that, and then just this stuff just cleans up so easily. Look at that. Boom, sharp edge, done. So, following that line that I made on the outer edge. Join it up at the top with the lid. And then give that a second to dry and I'm just gonna fill it in with the NYX. Create as sharp a line as I can. There we go, that's better. Yes, Sonia. Alright, so let's go ahead, work on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Alright, this looks kind of neat. What do you think? I'm gonna put some more red on that top part though. I don't feel like that area is clean enough. Red a little bit more vibrant. Almost kind of blending it with the white there. Blending that red and the white together a little bit to make it almost seem like the wing fades from red to white. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Right, angels, and we are back. I used a little bit more of the red to smoke out that white line up top. No eyeliner on the bottom. Blue mascara. think I need black on the top though. I can't go with like a little baby lashes. But look how that looks on the bottom. That's pretty freaking incredible. What do you think? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with the finished look. All right, angels, this is the finished look. I actually topped it off and went a little bit extra, and I outlined the white liner with this Wet n Wild Proline graphic marker eyeliner. It has kind of this markerish type of tip on there. So it has a thicker side and then it has a thinner side so that you can make really fine lines or you can make bold, deep lines. And it just was perfect to outline that white and make it look a little bit more dramatic. You're gonna watch me take part of this off, because this is even extreme for me. Because I didn't spray set it, so it came off rather quickly and easily. It allows me to make a little bit simpler look. A bit more of you over here, there. Let's see. So now I'm just, nothing was set and we're just using it in spots here. Go back and reset it. That lipstick, it's really good. These little dots, and that's just foundation. Is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. And this is really pretty. Although these, a lot of these are really tingly, this one's not that bad. And there you go. Nice evening wear. You can go to the tailgate party and then go out to the club afterwards. And you're not wearing fan makeup, so you get a bonus look with this video. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Do be an angel and click subscribe and smash that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. All you angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm filming this like just after Labor Day, so a lot of these people will be like, oh, wow, you're wearing Labor Day makeup. Yeah, sure. Really, Frank? You want to argue with me right now? Sorry if I'm boring you. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking she looks like a hot mess right now. Don't worry. Like always, it always makes sense in the end. It just looks like I got punched in the eye. Yes, yes, queen. Nice. One take. Mind focus.